Hello friends, welcome to Triction channel. Today we are going to see there is a notification in NCL. So this is a requirement in 2020. So this is a fully online application only. So the qualification they are given IT and diploma person, diploma candidate can apply for this post. And in this you can see the position will be there is a two position they are given. Supervisor in that supervisor there is a two category will be there. The technician also the five category will be there. So there is a seven category is there. So you can see before applying for this post, you can go through the application notification briefly. And in this tutorial, I am going to give you a full details regarding the NCA. And the registration will be start from 3rd August. And in the last date for this application will be 25th August 2020. Now we will be see the official notification. So you can see this is official notification. You can see there is a vacancy in the vacancy already they are released. That is they are released the date on 10 July 2020. So in that you can see the employment notification they are given. There is a in the table A they have mentioned the minimum qualification they are given for this post. So there is a mines. So there is a vacancy. The job is available in the mines establishment of NCL. There is a they are given the state. There is a Singrauli district of Madhya Pradesh and Sonebatra district of Uttar Pradesh. So the first will be available in these two places. And in the table they are given the essential qualification and position they are given. In the position there is a supervisory position. There is a first position. So in the first position you can see there is two category. The first one is assistant foreman, that is will be training, and the assistant foreman and mechanic. So you can see in the assistant foreman, there is a qualification, there is the essential and eligibility qualification is needed. The matriculate or equivalent for examination you have to pass, and plus diploma relevant and IA qualification is needed. That is a 3 years course in electronics and engineering from any recognized by the government university. So the second will be assistant foreman mechanical. There is a training post, matriculate or equivalent examination from passed from any recognized board of examination, and plus diploma or relevant IA qualification they have to done. Minimum 3 years course in mechanical engineering from any recognized by the recognized institute, that is by the government. So this is considering about the supervisory positions. Second position will be technician position. In this technician position, you can see there is a five category will be there. The technician fitter, technician electrician, turner, machinist, and the last one will be welder. So see the first one fitter. So the manufacturer qualification for needed for this will be matriculate or equivalent examination passed from any recognized board is needed, and plus they have needed a 2 years course in fitter trade along with trade certificates needed. This will be issued by the NCVT or SCVT, and plus minimum 1 year apprenticeship training certificate that is issued by the NCBT and SCBT. So these are the qualification is needed for the technician fitter. And you can see the SCBT means State Council for Vocational Training, that is provided with the certificate you needed, and the NCBT means National Council for Vocational Training. So you can see the second post, there is a technician electrician. Minimum qualification will be matriculate plus IT, that is a level 2 course in electrician trade along with trade certificate that is issued by the NCBT or SCBT, and plus minimum 1 year apprenticeship training certificates needed that will be issued by the NCBT SCBT. So in the next post will be technician turner. In the same way, they are needed a matriculate plus IT 2 years course in turner trade along with trade certificate that is issued by the NCBT, and plus 1 year apprenticeship training certificate that is issued by the SCBT and NCBT. Next will be machinist. In this category also they needed matriculate or equivalent examination and plus 2 years course in IT, that is in the machinist trade, and 1 year minimum, that is a minimum 1 year apprenticeship training certificate that is issued by the NCVT SCVT. The next one you can see technician welder, matriculate is needed plus IT in welder training, and a minimum 1 year apprentice certificate that is issued by the NCVT and SCVT. So these are the qualification they are given. Next one, you can see the submission date for this online registration will be 25th August. So this is a crucial date they are given. And in this, you can see there is a two post will be the supervisory post and technician post. And the degree they are given, degree, post graduation, diploma, we will be see. Okay, the one more important things they are given. If they are degree or postgraduate, a diploma, IT qualification occurred through distance learning. So if anybody is done for the distance learning, a part time, and they will not be considered for this category. Okay, they are not eligible for applying for this first if they are done from distance learning, yeah, part time. Next one will be positions and vacancies. This is a table we have seen. The position name is assistant foreman. So you can see END, there is a cadre, they will be coming under the cadre END. So the unreserved, there will be 4 vacancy, SC will be 1, ST will be 1, OBC 1, and total there is 7 vacancy. In this, you see, in this way, you can see the vacancies in the category wise. You can see in the second one, you can see assistant foreman. There is a mechanical. They are given two types. There is the exhibition and the electrical and mechanical. So you can see the category wise. You can see next one. Okay, note B, they are given the total number of vacancies and the reserve vacancies of provisional may be vary according to the actual requirements. According to the requirements, they will be categories. Next will be they are given if they are any candidates belong to a realization SC, ST, OBC, so EWS, they are to be applied for the reservation category. Before applying for this category, they have to see the prescribed format they are given in the notification. Okay, they have to follow the, for example, if I am applying for this category, the reservation category, so I have to follow the some prescribed format I have to follow. Okay, this is related only the reservation category. In the point number 3, they have given the position earmarked for PWPD categories. Okay, this is related to the benchmarks and disability categories. For example, assistant foreman, there is a trainee, there is a OER, OL. Oh, and OM is one arm and OL means one leg. And technician fitter, there is HS. HS means hard of hearing. And next will be a technician electrician, that is category 3. There is a disability of categories will be OL, HS. In this way, you can see the suitable benchmark and disability categories. And next one, you can see the clarification on the relevant and higher qualification they are given. Diploma for supervisory positions. You can see the supervisory position name will be the first one, assistant foreman. There will be diploma in electronics and engineering. They are needed essential qualification. They have done for the diploma. If they had a higher qualification, engineering degree in electronics, electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication. Are not eligible branches the diploma if they are done BE or BTech. They are belonging to this branch. For example, instrumentation and control, electronic instrumentation, control electronics. So in this, they will not be eligible for this branch. Second will be assistant foreman mechanical. There is a qualification, assistant qualification is a diploma in mechanical, and degree will be engineering degree in mechanical engineering. And if their candidates is not eligible branches of diploma, if they are done production, industrial, automation, thermal, manufacturing in the industry, engineering, and a combination of mechanical engineering and any of these are similar branches, they are not eligible for these branches. Okay, the training period they are given, they are also given the scale pay. The first one, assistant foreman, they are given an entry level grade. Okay, example, the minimum monthly they are given, the basic pay they are giving 31,852, and you have to giving training period will be 1 year. And then the second one, assistant foreman mechanical, there is a pay, basic pay will be grade C. There is a 31,852. And in this category, if they are going for the exhibition, there will be a training for 2 years and ENM category for the 2 years. In this way, you can see the training period and the scale of pay. So what they are telling, using this basic pay, they are also giving other allowance such as if they are compared to the training period, then also you can apply for this one, such as DA, the AMS, DNS allowance, attendance bonus, special allowance they are giving, HRA, house rent allowance, transfer subsidy, medical facilities. So these are the allowance they will be giving if they are after completion of the training. You can go for this one. Okay, next one, reservation category. They are telling in the reservation category under SC, ST, OBC, PWD, and ESM will be applicable as per the government of India. They have to follow this particular government notification. You have to follow this reservation category. And next one, they are given the age limit. The minimum age limit will be 18 years, and the upper age limit they are given 30 years. For example, unreserved category, there is no relaxation. If they are belong to SC/ST, there is a 5 years. No, OBC will be, there is a NCS list 3 years, and a PWPD will be UR. So in this we can see the age relaxation also. Next one, the candidate should note that the date of birth is recorded in the matriculation, secondary examination certificate, all mark sheet of a examination issued by the center will be valid. So how they will be categorized using the age limit. So you have the mark sheet of the matriculation and secondary. So in that mark sheet you are seeing that the date of birth is mentioned. With the helping of date of birth, they can record it. Okay, they will be considering your age. Next will be application fee. For unreserved category, there is a will be a fees will be 500 rupees. And if they belong to the reservation category, there is here no fees. There is a name. So application without prescribed fee will not be, for example, if the candidate is not following any prescribed format, though the application will be rejected. Fees once paid, it will not be refunded. For example, if any tax or bank charges will be applicable, that will be applied, that will be borne by the candidates. Next will be 9th point, what they are telling. Hmm. Provision of compensatory time and assistance of scribe. For example, one now they are giving related to the disability persons. You can read. Next one, action against candidates found guilty of misconduct. If any candidate is misbehaving in the written exam, in the examination hall, if they will be disqualified for the exams. Okay, and the next will be selection process they are giving. The eligibility meeting the minimal eligibility criteria will be, they are given the crucial date, and they will be conducting the written exam. So with the helping of the written test, the lesson will be based on the score. Okay, with the helping of the written test, they will be verification, they will be conducted. In that verification you have to provide, you have to go with your original documents. And they will be giving the date and time menu. In that time you have to be present. If any candidate is not present in that time, it will be automatically, it will be disqualified. Okay, there is a exam will be written, exam will be conducted. For example, in this there is a 7 positions they are given. You have to apply for only one category. You have to apply. Okay, there is will be a written exam. This will be for the 100 marks, and there will be 90 minutes duration. So it means you will be getting for this 100 question, you will be getting 1.5 hours. Okay, it will be consist of 2 parts, part A and part B. So for part A there is a 70 marks, and part B will be 30 marks. So part A will be related to only technical question, and part B will be general. General section, it means intelligence, mental ability, and aptitude. This will be covered under the general section. So we will be getting the detailed notification, detailed syllabus will be already available in the NCL website separately is there. Next will be, there is objective question only be there. They will be giving 4 choices, and there is no negative marks for wrong answer. And the question booklet will be available in Hindi and English. And with the, you will be getting also the, before exam, you will be getting the OMR sheet also. You can get apply for Hindi and English. You can apply. And written test will be conducted in the centers district Singrauli and Madhya Pradesh, and district Sonabhadra, UP. So in this you can apply for the, you can mention the preference also for the centers. And next one they are given table H will be, there is will be kata marks they given. For example, unreserved category will be minimum kata marks is 50 marks, and SC/ST they will be 40 marks. Okay, in case where more than one candidate secure equal marks in the written exam. If, for example, if for example, if 2 candidates is secure the same marks, so what they are taking, what it is called as a tie. So what they are telling, the candidates with high marks. For example, if there is a 2 section is a part A and part B. So the part A, the candidates is it will be comparing with the part A. If candidates is securing more marks in the part A, they will be they will be selected. And the second thing, they will be prefer for the exam, prefer for the verification. Second thing, date of birth will hold the candidates. For example, date of birth will say hold the candidates, they will be secure, they will be free for the second. Third will be alphabetical order. For example, one candidate is belonging from the yes, there's another one candidate belonging to the A. So they will be prepared for prepare with the helping of this alphabetical order, which names of the candidates appears. Alphabetical order which names of the candidates appears. So in this way you can see, and the result will be written by exam result will be published in the official website only after completion of the written test. There will be who scored above minimum qualifying marks will be notified, will be called for the verification. They will give you the date and time. Any in that time you have to present, in that venue you have to be present, and they are given the next one. They have given the general instruction for candidates. So before applying for this post, you have to read the instruction properly. Then only you can apply for the post. So candidates is 7 position notified in the notification. So multiple posts you cannot be applied. Only one post you have to be applied. For example, if any candidates applied more than one post, it will be disqualified. Okay, before submitting the application form, you have to check the details properly. You are eligible for the post or not. You have to check properly. Then you have to see the date of birth, category, contact research, qualification. All you have to be check. If you once you mention for the applied online, so it will not be changed. It will not be corrected. Okay. The candidate should have a good assurance to submit a direction of the effort. Prescribed format you have to follow. From you have to follow. Next one. Uh, this is a general instruction you can read. And next one you can see there is a how to apply. So for this first you have to apply from the website is ncl www.nclcil.in. So in that you can see the career will be there. When we clicking in the career, there is option is a requirement. So when we are clicking on the requirement, there is a notification you will be see notification for the direct requirement of assistant foreman mechanical. In this you can apply online. So you can see you can get this notification using the English and Hindi. You can see both the notification, and yeah, candidates go through the provisions. Okay, eligibility you have to check properly. Next one, if any candidates belong to reservation category, so if they are not, if you're not coming under the reservation, so under the category, so you have to be 500 fees to be paid. It will be non-refundable application fee. Okay, they are given a step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. And step 1 will be registration. So second will be fee payment, third will be apply, last will be submission. Step 1 registration, you have to enter email ID and mobile number. The email and password is provided during registration. Okay, with the helping of you will win the login and the password you will be getting. You are with the helping of the login ID and password, you have to go for the step 2. So name, email ID, mobile number provided during registration cannot be changed. Once you enter the email ID, phone number, it will not be changed and corrected. So when you are entering, you have to see properly, you have to enter properly, put your email ID and mobile number properly. Okay. So the password policy, they are given minimum 6 characters, so with at least one alphabet, one numeric character, and one of the following characters you can see. You have to, before proceeding for registration, you have to read the terms and condition properly. After completion process registration, each applicant will be unique registration number you will be giving this unique registration number with a 5 digit. With the helping of this 5 digit number, you have to apply for this. You have to go for the step 2, step 3, and step 2. There is a fee payment. You have to see properly. Next one will be apply. So after completing the steps 2, there is a fee payment. Click on the particular position you have to mention. There is an application will be open, so you have to mention your details properly, father's name, mother's name, address. So you have to mention. Next will be submission of application. Incomplete online application will be rejected. After filling all the requirements, there will be a you have to be take the printout of the application. Because it is used for the picture reference, you can take the printout. So this is a special one they are given. So can they having any other qualification mentioned table may apply for declaring the qualification only. Only one position you have to apply. This is a special note they are given. Next one important dates you have to remember. The online registration will be start from 3rd August and there is the last date will be 25th August. Tentative date downloading the all ticket they are given. Eligible candidates will be intimated through the official website. Tentative date of attendance they will be mentioned in the official website and the declaration and result they will be also mentioned in the official website. So there is a they are given also the any content any clarification you can call this number. There is office hours they are given 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. That is only Monday to Friday. And they excluded lunch hour. This is a lunch hours they are given 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. So we'll not call that time. And there is the Saturday they are given the timing will be 9 a.m. to only 1 p.m. And office shall remain closed on Sunday. In that time, you will not call. There is also they are given one email address. You can any queries you can write your queries in that email address. And if you have any doubt, you can call this in this number. There is 0780-256573. They will clarify your doubts. So this is a disclaimer they are given. And this is a prescribed for my year to follow those who are belonging to the reservation category. So in this way, you can see they are given the proper form you have to go through once. And when we are applying for this course, what you do just read the properly. You have to read the terms and conditions properly. Then you can apply for this course. So this is regarding the official notification. It's not started yet. It will be start from 3rd August. So if you have any doubt, you can put your queries in my YouTube channel. So after seeing my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.